Hey everyone, if you want to use FlowGPT for free in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to access free AI features and get the most out of the platform without spending money. First, FlowGPT provides free access to various AI chats, prompts, and community features. Yeah, you can start using many tools without upgrading to a premium plan. Start by opening your browser and visiting the FlowGPT website. Now sign up using Google, Discord, or email. Once your account is ready, sign in to access the platform. You can explore thousands of prompts shared by the community. Open a prompt or AI character and begin chatting. Many models and interactions are available for free. You can save useful prompts and conversations to access them later. FlowGPT also lets you create and publish your own prompts for others to use. Keep in mind that free users may have limited access to premium models and advanced features. For the best experience, explore trending prompts and use free models before considering a subscription. A common mistake is expecting every AI model and feature to be unlimited. Yeah, some advanced tools are reserved for premium users, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use FlowGPT for free in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.